What is this called? Time out. Anaconda. What is this called? Time out. Ball python. What is this called? Time out. Bamboo rat. What is this called? Time out. Black and white Kenyan sand boa. What is this called? Time out. Black mamba. What is this called? Time out. Boa. What is this called? Time out. Calliophis beavergatus. What is this called? Time out. Cobra. What is this called? Time out. Corn snake. What is this called? Time out. Cottonmouth. What is this called? Time out. Eastern green mamba. What is this called? Time out. Golden lancehead. What is this called? Time out. Gray-nanded kingsnake. What is this called? Time out. Green pit viper. What is this called? Time out. Inigo snake. What is this called? Time out. Milk snake. What is this called? Time out. Oxybellis. What is this called? Time out. Rattlesnake. What is this called? Time out. San Francisco garter snake. What is this called? Time out. Scarlet king snake. What is this called? Time out. Sea snake.